Yeah, go. Shake it, shake it.
Stop it.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm your dick boy.
Oh crap.
Elizabeth, shake them dreads.
Brown wasn't here.
Let me shake my dress.
Okay, sorry.
I don't know.
Cool, that's
The stops as well.
They gotta do it bad. She can.
It's gonna be kind of like that kind of stuff the rest of the year.
Justin, you shake your dreads.
Yeah.
Just shake your
There's Justin and his wife. Shake your dress.
Shake the dreads next door.
Oh, he's just gonna like just wipe it off. Shake them dreads.
Do them in stop, Morris. Shake the dreads.
Shake your
Go like that. Shake the dreads.
Pass over the floor.
I think your weave just hit me, Amy.
You won't.
Shake them dreads.
What's his name?
Shake your dreads.
Shake your dreads. Oh, he's shaking them. Hey, he's in the way. You shake your dreads.
Shake your dreads.
I ain't got no dreads.